Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alika Azzahra, NPM 2341190, Management Class 23A. Okay, here I will explain the material about enterprise risk management and service organizations. Next material is structure and process in ERM. A modern ERM approach usually includes various components that are interrelated and support each other. One of them is governance and organizational culture. In it, there is a commitment from the organization's leadership to make risk management a priority, as well as to encourage a risk-aware corporate culture. Without commitment from the highest level, ERM implementation will not be effective. Another component is the integration of ERM into the process of setting strategy and planning organizational goals. Risk cannot be separated from strategy. Therefore, in designing strategic goals, organizations need to understand the main risks that may affect their success. For example, in planning expansion into new markets, regulatory risks, local culture, and political stability must be analyzed from the start. In the implementation stage, the ERM process involves comprehensive risk identification activities, assessing their potential impact, determining priorities, and selecting the most appropriate response. Responses to risk can be in the form of avoidance, reduction, transfer, or acceptance of risk. This stage is continued with continuous monitoring of the implementation of controls and the effectiveness of the selected risk management strategy. In addition, effective communication and clear reporting on risk are also important. Information about risks must flow smoothly between work units and management and must be available to stakeholders. This transparency creates a more accountable oversight system. Characteristics and challenges of service organizations. A service organization is a type of organization that produces and offers services as its main product to consumers. Unlike tangible and tangible goods, services in service organizations are intangible and often difficult to measure objectively. Some of the main characteristics of service organizations include intangibility, direct customer involvement in the production process, the inability to store services, and a high degree of variability or difference in service quality depending on who provides them and under what conditions the services are provided. Service organizations face unique challenges in the context of risk management. Because services cannot be stored, organizations must be able to meet customer demand in real time. If there is an operational disruption such as a delay or human error, the impact can be felt directly by customers and have an impact on the company's reputation. This makes reputation risk very important to be managed carefully in service organizations. In addition, the heavy dependence on human resources as service providers increases operational risk. A small error by an employee in interacting with customers can result in permanent loss of customers. Therefore, training, supervision, and competency development are important parts of the risk management strategy in service organizations.